Hi everyone. Today I'd like to introduce you to the latest innovation from Fleetwear, our new portable IVMS device with an integrated dash camera. We were recently approached by a customer who required a portable IVMS device as a plug-and-play unit for use in hire vehicles, but they also needed to integrate a dash camera. Their existing telematics provider couldn't help, so we went to work to develop this new solution. This unique plug-and-play solution combines the convenience of a portable IVMS device with the added safety of a dash camera. With the dash cam attached, you get real-time video recording of your journeys, ensuring that every moment on the road is captured. This footage can be viewed via the cloud, which allows you to retrieve and save footage remotely. The high-quality dash camera provides clear, reliable footage day or night, giving you peace of mind and an extra layer of security, as well as providing a focus on driver behaviour. This innovative solution is perfect for hire vehicles, short-term contracts, or simply when you don't want the hassle or cost of hardwiring a unit to your vehicle. When you combine this hardware solution with the fact there's no lock-in contracts for our software, meaning devices can be activated and deactivated with 30 days notice, this solution really does offer unparalleled flexibility. Simply plug it into the OBD port or cigarette lighter and you're ready to go. No complicated installations, no hassle. And if you think you need to sacrifice on functionality, well, we got that covered too. Not only will you get the dash camera and IVMS, we can also provide driver ID and duress so that drivers have got that functionality at their fingertips. Whether you manage a fleet of rental cars or need IVMS for temporary use, Fleetwear's portable IVMS device with dash camera is the perfect choice. For more information, visit our website or contact us today to see how Fleetwear can revolutionise your vehicle management. At Fleetwear, we're enhancing safety and simplifying logistics.